Morning everyone, I am Khushi Pandey from BCA PPU 3rd year batch 3. I am standing here to give a presentation on the topic of defining a class, which is assigned by our Raju Upadhyay sir. Firstly, we define a class. We know about what is Java. Java is a high-level programming language. It is developed by James Gosling in 1995. It is the father of Java, and Java is a platform-independent, and it is run anywhere program in using a JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machines, and it is an object-oriented programming language. Everything is based on object and class, and compile and interpret in our language, which is into a bytecode, which is their interpreted and compiler. Second one is what is class. It is based on object and class OOPS language. It is a class defining. A class is a collection of variables, and it is a method that operate the class, and everything in program we will at least one class in main method. And the second one is any concept of the class which is implemented in encapsulation and polymorphism. It is example of car, students, etc. And then we define a object. What is object? Object is a real world entity, and it's interact with through methods call and message passing. Object is can be created multiple form in a class. Each objects are on separate data. Object is created using new keywords. Then we saw about our code which is based on class and object. Let's first we define a class, and class name is students, and students class we define a student ID, student name. And second is void init function is used. It is a method, and in its method we define employee data, and we define L2, and it is a object and print its detail. It a new employee data. And we define get employee. Get employee is the second one. It is a method to display our output with employee data. And third one, we define a class. It is a employee class defining, and we should take employee ID, employee name, and we took a method initialization method. And in this init function, we define again student name and student ID, and we display the student function and method to display student details. In student details, we display a student details, and second one is create a class 1 file with which name is class, and its file name is class 1. It is a main method to display our program. It is public static void main, and in Rani we took new student details. Insert this file, we use a Rani.init function. It is initializing for print and employee details. And we took ln.new function. In this init function we use initializing for student details. Let's run the program. For run this program we use Java C. We compile the program successfully, and we take result. Here is the output in this student details and employee details. Thank you. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, please ask me.
Anybody has any question? Anyone have a question?
Tell me the difference between public, private, and protected class.
In public class we define a main method, and private class we define and code, and we not run for class Java. So.
See, again your question is a little advanced, because we are in the start position of the Java program, so we have not discussed everything in detail. But for your query, public is a specifier which is allowing our member of the Java program or class to be accessed from anywhere. Private means it should be accessible to within the class only. And whenever we will learn about the inheritance, where the member of a class will get inherited to their child class. So through the child class we can access the protected member, and apart from the child class, protected behaves as private. I think your question is being answered by me correctly. Okay. So my request to the batch, ask your question, the things which we have discussed in the class, because this is the just a start point of the Java program. So we have not discussed everything. So don't go for the advanced question. Limit your question within the range. Okay. Anyway, Khushi, it was a very good presentation of what is class and object from your side. Thank you very much.
இந்த மாதிரி அற்புதமான நியூஸ்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.